you're in line for the meat. No, I'm stopping here. You want to stay there. You want a baller on a budget. That's what you want. That's what you want. 37, 28, 40. That waste is a 28, boo. Oh, we're ready to put it up. I need to get some vegetables and some fruit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Kitty's Creationist. If you're a newbie to my channel, do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep those notification bells on so you won't skip a beat. Moving forward, we just got out of church. I didn't film early this morning because I was rushing, but we at the produce junction, and I just got a new juicer, so I need to get some produce and some meats. So what we gonna get? Some celery. Let's see, how much is their celery? $2. I don't think I want this celery here. Look how big these carrots is. Carrots. Stand right there because we're gonna get some meat. Stand right here. Carrots. Hi. Some carrots. What else I want? Watermelon. How much is this? How much is your pineapple? How much are your pineapples? Excuse me, how much? 3? Okay. And I want a watermelon. How much are your watermelons? $3? Does that say watermelons? They not acting like they acting like they don't wanna help me. You want my money or no? Where my carrots go? You cold? You cold? You want your jacket? I told his ass they be trying to be cute. Shit, I got my stuff on them. They be acting like they cute, these teenagers. I don't know. Y'all want jackets or whatnot. Can I have a watermelon? How much are your watermelons? 6? Give me a watermelon, please. This big one. Yeah, it's 6, right? It's over there, all the way over there near the peppers. I got carrots over there too. They so small. These are $1. Alright, take 2 of these. Alright, cantaloupes. And can I get green? Tell him you want a baller on the budget, Shawnee, when he comes. A baller on the budget. Baller on a budget. That's what you want. When he asks you for your order, say you want a baller on a budget. You're in line for the meat. No, I'm stopping here. You gonna stay there. You want a baller on a budget. That's what you want. That's what you want. He's scary. Come back out. I'm still shopping. Don't you want your juices tonight? I swear, man, teenagers. I swear, teenagers, man. Can I have some lemons, please? A box of lemons. All my stuff is right here. Mom. What? Ball on the budget? I just told you. You thought I was playing? That's a real combo. Hi. Can I have a ball on the budget, please?
Sure, something else?
He balling on the budget. And how much is your eggs?
$5.95.
God. No,
I go to Walmart.
How much is that on Walmart?
$13.61 for 60 eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, for real? Oh, I'm going Walmart. Thanks a lot. All right, so how much is a ball on the budget? Because y'all go up every month. They was like $70-something at one time. I think now it's like 100 and. It's not even on here. See, look, why it's not on here?
Something went wrong.
Why something went wrong? All right, just give me that. That's all I want. Yep.
No substitution, no anything like that.
Nope. That's it. Nope. Because everything come right. What?
Yep.
The what is it? The breast, the wing, the what is it? The thigh, and the drumstick, right?
Mhm.
I don't even know about the drumstick.
You want to take a look?
No
inside?
drumstick. No drumstick. But I want to substitute it for the wings.
So let's just see, and then you let me. Yeah, get the word.
All right. I want the. You should have grabbed your jacket. I actually didn't want your jacket. You should have grabbed your jacket. I actually didn't need your jacket. It's cold. Can I substitute the wings? I mean the drumsticks and wings. Like more wings?
Sure. No, I know you.
Don't short me with my wings.
I just want to show you it before I started. But he's older than me, but he's still younger than me.
Yo, let me finish my order. I'll be back. Make a mistake of my price. Say. Okay.
We need 2 pounds of cherries.
It's nice, but it's cold. Like, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? We're going to just skip right over spring and just go right to summer. Hopefully, prayerfully. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. All right. It keeps saying 1 minute's about to be free.
It's that.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay. He said she want me to try
Is that
these.
red papaya?
Wait, couple days.
Oh no, but it's the red papaya. How much is that?
I love it. Thank you. Thank you.
How much?
He want me to try grapes. You got it? Okay. But she gave it to me in her hand, and I don't want to try it because this was in her hand. I'm just gonna act like I tried it. Let me see, where the truck? Hold on, I gotta get my truck.
Yeah, but.
Thank you. He be coming around. Can you leave? Yeah, he gonna come around.
Just come right there.
Thank you. You got everything? Oh, okay. Everybody ready for me. All right now. Here I come. Here I come. All right, let me pay for this stuff. I'll be back. I'll be back, guys.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nickel.
You want an Ishka one? You got stuff on you.
Alright.
It's on your chin too. Let them see me, your mommy work the It is. It's right here. Look. It's right here. Look. Look at the camera. It's right there.
I can't see that smoke behind camera.
It looks so nice.
Oh man.
I told you. Talking about oh man. I think somebody was playing. I'm gonna walk the second street right here. I'm gonna get these sneakers. Come on, Shawnee, walk down here with me. You want a sandwich? Shawnee, you wanna go with your dad? Alright. I'm gonna walk right down here. And then I gotta go down here to the I gotta see John. Alright, y'all, we on South Street. I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. I'm gonna go back into this store called 2nd Street. I showed y'all on my last vlog. This consignment shop. And it was something that I wanted. And I said I was gonna come back next week to get them. And when I rolled past the window, I seen them. So this footage is going to be on my vlog again for this week. The same store. Not the footage, the same store.
You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's
So I comes out the store and their ass is left. I wonder if she was talking about this store right here. Oh, they got soup. Oh, Korean and Asian fusion. I comes out the store and their asses is gone. They probably sitting in the car in the truck eating their sandwiches, laughing at me walk past me. Cause my husband got tints and I can't see. Ooh, I might want some Korean soup. Something. Oh, menu. Soup, kimchi, pork kimchi, fish cake soup. I don't know what I want. Oh, they got stir fry. Oh, they got tofu basket. Oh, sold me. I'm going in here and get me a tofu basket. Oh, they got copyright music. Hi, can I see a menu? Well, can I see another menu? Because I was just looking at it outside. Thank you. Okay. What's up, y'all? Oh, let me button it. I'm in my favorite store. Y'all don't know where it is. It's Candy Shop on South Street, and the dress that I had on. I know, right? I'm gonna lose my money, right? My money. That's my money. Right. The dress I had on my last vlog when we went to the DR. The same person that made, yeah, he was. Same person. I don't even think I put him in the. I don't even think I linked them down, but this is the Candy Shop on South Street. And this is Joey right here. Oh no, he said no. Put him back.
It's Sunday.
He said no, Sunday, so I had to turn him back around. Y'all got a glimpse of his hair. He makes my he made my dress, my sequins birthday dress, and the Versace bikini I had on. But now I'm getting something else made because he's the best. He's gonna just my hand. Oh, that's the mesh.
Perfect, right?
Oh, look how this mesh is. Look at that. Transparent HD.
Naked.
Yeah. So he's gonna I keep on unbuttoning it like that because he gotta measure my waist. He gotta measure like all the way down.
Boy, really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on a record.
Tell him my measurement.
37, 28, 40.
37 27, 28, 40. That waist is a 28, boo.
One more inch of your boobs and it's perfect.
Oh, one more inch of my boobs and I'm perfect.
Eat a cheeseburger.
Oh, shoot. What do you want?
I'm still hanging out with you.
Well, I told you what you can do. We back home, y'all. Look at him. Got pee-pee? You have the pee-pee? Do you have the pee-pee? Why you beating up my camera? You got pee-pee? Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, no, he human. My dog is human, man. I swear. I'm going to make these juices. Let me show you my new juicer I got. I got it yesterday. Wash my hands, make these juices, and get them out the way. See, this is what I was talking about my shirt. See how my shirt is? You know, I'm always tucking something under. See how my sleeves are? Cute. Look at that. I'm going to take this off. Y'all, look, I tucked it under like that. Look, I flipped it. This is longer than I could have ever been. But it comes like that. It's cute even down too. Alright, it's time to take this off and get the juicing. This is the juicer I got. Brazil juicer. The Brazil, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Brazil. And I got all these groceries. Let me wash my hands. Hold it. Well, I need my slippers. I gotta get comfortable. I gotta take these clothes off. I gotta get comfortable. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me get comfortable. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And I'm comfortable. I'm doing the most on a Sunday. I'm making juices and I'm cooking, okay? I'm gonna cook up these vegetables. Let me show you the vegetables that I got from the wholesales, where I go out and get my meats. And the meats are very reasonable up there. I go up there all the time if I want to fill my freezer up and don't have to worry about meats. Chicken, it's just chicken, but different parts of the chicken, you know, so I don't have to worry about going to the market for about maybe a good month. And it works out. Let me show y'all. So that is 45 pounds of chicken. You got your legs, you got your drumsticks, you got your chicken breasts and thighs for $86. And then I got this whole bag, this whole box of groceries, or the produce, vegetables, and fruit. This was like $42, and I got a little bit of everything in here, y'all. I got celery, I got avocado, and they put the tomatoes in there with the avocado. I got grapes, I got watermelon, I got carrots, I got lemon, I got ginger, cucumbers, cantaloupe, pineapples, pears, all that. About $40, okay? That's why I like to go up there, because it's reasonable. So I'm going to be making some chicken and dumplings. And they're already seasoned. I'll season my stuff. I like to prepare my stuff like a day or two ahead of time seasoned. So all I got to do is put it in a pan. But let me show y'all my new juicer. This is called the Breville. I think I showed y'all the box. The Breville. The Breville. The Breville. It might be French. Look at my baby. So cute and clean until we start messing it up with all the vegetables and fruit. It comes with a wide mouth. You can put a whole orange and a whole apple in there. And it comes with this large container. Look, 1,000 ounces max. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Yes, 1,000. Big behind container. And it has the basically it's a part in a cup that holds back the pulp when you pouring it. This, let me see, it's a part right here. It holds back the pulp, so that's a plus. And then you know you have the wide basket for disposables. And yeah, I gotta hook it up. I'm ready to do all my stuff. I got my mason jars ready. I'm doing 10. I always do 10 because that's, you know, that's suitable for my family. And right here, that's going in the food as far as the, I'm sure making chicken dumplings, so I'm just cleaning that off. This is my apple cider and water wash, and I'm going to be putting some vegetables and fruit in here how I clean them. And here's my flour for the dumplings. I make my own dumplings. No biscuit. No biscuit. No biscuit. So let me get the cutting and chopping and stop yakking and get to work. All right. I'll be back.
Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, this cat is rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
Okay, I'm back. I am back. And I am finished. All my juices. And my dinner. What? What? What?
Mom.
My camera on.
Mom.
My camera is on.
Mom.
Alright, well, whatever.
Mom.
My camera on.
Mom. Yay!
They can't even see you.
Oh, they can't? Wait, what side am I on? Oh, I'm on this side. You
Was it
should
good?
you should
You tore that food up.
like make a little stand.
Don't
And
be
call
so.
it a name.
Don't be.
Chipotle.
I Chipotle. You killed this door.
Grab a one letter from every single ingredient that you made in there and put it together, and that's the name.
Oh shoot, that's a good idea, huh? You want some
And then
more?
collab with Shira.
That's it. HBCU vibes. You want some more?
No.
All right. Let me show y'all what my juices. Well, you see he killed it. Did I show y'all already? No, I seen y'all. Oh yeah, I did. I did show y'all that in the refrigerator. Keep going. They ain't no stop playing. He already had took one. You already took one. They already in the fridge. Chilling. He took one. I made 10. Let me show y'all my food. Your butt was not showing. Look, y'all. I didn't wrap everything
Look what she
up.
created.
Hold on.
Look what she created.
Oh, that's K Creations. Kid's Creations right there.
You know my mom do that type
I had wrapped everything up and put it in storage, and that's the rice that I put because look, I don't got time and I can't put it in the refrigerator until it cool down. And the bone, definitely the chicken and cooked off the bone. It was so tender. So that's just y'all seen what I put in there. I think. Didn't y'all? I think I did. But that's my chicken and dumplings, my style, okay? And I'm about to end this vlog. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And it was good kicking it with y'all. Thank y'all as always. We moving on up, y'all. Come on now. We about to reach 600. If y'all was rocking with me, remember when I was like at 60? Remember when I was like at 60 subscribers? We moving on up to 600. Come on, y'all. So until we meet again, my friends, I love each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all for the support. I love y'all. Be safe. Peace out. Bye.